Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, check the watch model and confirm the adjust and mode buttons. Once done, make sure the battery has at least moderate charge so settings won't reset. Press and hold mode for 2 to 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. You want to see the hour or alarm screen. If the display cycles, tap mode until you reach the hourly chime or signal option. This is where you control the beep. Stay focused. The next steps change the behavior. Once inside settings, navigate with mode or search until you find SIG, chime, or hourly signal. You may need to cycle through alarms and time options. Be patient and look for a bell or SIG icon. When you find it, press adjust or start to toggle OFF. This removes the hourly beep. Make sure the on-screen indicator disappears. If it persists, repeat the toggle. Exit the menu using mode and wait a minute to confirm no beep at the top of the hour. Finish by exiting the menu and observing the watch during the next hour. Confirm there is no beep and the bell or SIG icon is gone. If toggling failed, try a soft reset from the manual. In many models, press adjust plus mode for several seconds or remove the battery briefly to reset. If the chime still occurs, the alarm/firmware may be stuck. Contact the manufacturer or an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.